This seemingly impossible SAT question showed up on a recent exam, so here is how to never get it wrong. We're given the volume of sphere A, it can be determined that the surface area of sphere A is A pi. Given the volume of sphere B, it can be determined that the surface area of sphere B is B pi. Determine the positive difference between A and B. So in this question, what we need to understand first is that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. We also need to know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So what I can do is use my volume to then find the radius and then find the surface area. So let's find this for B. If I know that 36 pi equals 4/3 pi r cubed, I can find r by crossing out my pi's and then multiplying 3/4 to the other side. So I would get 36 times 3/4, 36 times 3/4, and I'd get 27. So I know that 27 equals r cubed, and therefore 3 equals r. Now, I can use this to find the surface area of sphere B. The surface area would be 4 pi times 3 squared. So it's going to be 4 pi times 9, which is 36 pi. That's a coincidence. Now, instead of doing the same thing for sphere A, all I need to do is realize that to get from sphere B to sphere A, I multiplied by some number. What is that number? All I have to do is 26244 divided by 36. I multiplied by 729. Now, what I am about to explain is a very, very commonly tested topic, and you need to know this. If the volume multiplied by 729, I can figure out what the radius multiplied by. The volume is a three-dimensional measure. Area is two-dimensional, perimeter circumference is one-dimensional. So, if I multiplied by 729 for the volume, then the side lengths, aka the radius here, would have multiplied by the cube root, because it is three-dimensional of 729, which means the side lengths multiplied by 9. So now my new radius for sphere A is going to be 27, right? If I multiplied the radius by 3, or if I multiplied the radius of 3 by 9, then my new radius is 27. I can then use that to find the surface area, but I will go one step further. If I know that the side lengths multiplied by 9, I can ask myself, what did the area multiply by? Well, the area then multiplied by 9 squared, because area is two-dimensional. So I can say the surface area, if it was 36 pi, would have multiplied by 9 squared. So the surface area of the sphere A is going to be 2,916 pi. So what is the positive difference between the two of them? All I need to write is 2916 minus 36, and I get my answer of 2,880. So my answer is 2880.